Hello guys, did you ever ask yourself what time is it? It can happen to all of us. Your mobile will run out of juice, and if you don't have watches, you will be pretty much right on your surroundings. And if you are on a travel, that is very big problem. Many people today don't wear watches. They think it's okay, they don't need them, but it's not. You have to think about it like this. Watches will be most of time on your hand, so you have no need for searching for your phone, and that is a big plus because somebody can or will steal your phone. Probably it's very high chance that will this happen. Another big plus for having a watches is that you can change your time on your watches to the your final destination, and if it's in a different time zone, you will just change it like one day before your flight. So you will be reacting on the watch time, but and your body clock will adjust to that, so you will have less pain. Maybe I think it's called jet lag. I don't think it's called. I know it's called jet lag. Sorry. And if you have phone just like me, an iPhone, you will have very problem with changing time on that, and I feel like it's better to leave it like this because it will change itself, and I don't like to just set it and so on. So I like that I have a watch to do so, and I've seen many people that didn't have watches, and they are like, hey, pardon, my mobile ran out of juice. Can you tell me the time? So that's a big problem. And last but not least, you will just like look at your watch and see, oh, my bus is leaving in 10 minutes. And you can still buy something like some food, and you will, yeah, nice, I have 8 minutes. With phone, it will probably look like this. Oh shit, 10 minutes. That's pretty overreacted, but I think you get the idea. And yeah, okay. And from my personal experience, I didn't have watches, and it was pretty much pain for me because whenever I didn't know when my maybe train leaves, and was rushing to the station, I just have to look at my phone, so my hand was overoccupied, and I've been like running like this and watching, and it's pretty pain now. I just look, yeah, nice, easy, and no problem. So I like it like this way. It feels more comfortable, and I have like I'm pretty calmed when I have the watches on me. So it's better. I'm not worrying about it will run out of juice. Maybe it will drown in water because it's waterproof. Many mobiles aren't waterproof. That's like a common knowledge. So I think that's it, and that's like my final sentence for this topic. And I have an unboxing about these watches. I will be unboxing it. It's from CASIO. It was pretty cheap. I think that was 72 euros, and normally it costs 112 euros. So it was like for me very cheap, and it has like everything. It luminosity, like all watches illuminated in the night, so you will see it, and it has stopwatch, I don't know what. It's very comfortable to change time with this. So thank you for watching. Hope you we will see you next time.